Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol BBIG, which is for Vinco Ventures, and you know we love BBIG and we have been making a lot of videos, at the same time a lot of profit on BBIG. We love this particular stock. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about mostly about the technical support resistance, when should be a good point to enter. Also, if you're planning for day trading, swing trading, even for option. I'm also going to talk about the short interest, and also finally what is cryptide. I will touch a little bit about their company, what they are doing, some kind of just an overview of the company, right? Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and also I have a Patreon community. Please join my community so that you can get access to my Discord community for getting pre-market market hour updates. I also do live on my Discord before the market open for making a plan. As an example, last Friday we did really good. You can see the gain here, big gains on last Friday. The day before, big gains. So we have been making consistently big gains on some of the tickers. So if you want to join the community, please join. Just $9 per month. Few seats are available. Okay. So BBIG, very important price action. I will talk most about the price action, but before that let's look at few other things. So in terms of the volume, I always look at volume for BBIG. It has nice volume, nice pop, nice volume, nice pop. Now the volume is coming down. That is one important thing I think we should be looking at, because if there is no volume, this thing might slowly bleed and it might come down. On the other hand, if you look at the short interest, it has 27.2%, very high. Also the dark pool short interest 40%, very high. Currently only 300,000 shares are available to short, which is really good. The cost to borrow fee for shorting 163%, really high. Same information is showing me 170%. So in terms of high high borrow fee rate, less shares available to short, at the same time high short interest. The only missing thing is volume. When volume will comes back in, this thing will fly again. So watch for volume first of all. In terms of option activity, we can talk about the option activity definitely, but look at few things. So last Friday, so the price was below 3.5, so $3 was in the money. So these 12,000, these options are in the money. I wish they were above 3.5. In that case, these options would be in the money as well. Anyway, looking forward, I'm looking for 18th of February, next call option expiry date. I see some big numbers here for 8 strike price. Let me load. Okay, for strike price 8, I see lots of call option here. For strike price 5, lots of call option here. One call option is only $9. If you want to participate, just buy a call option for $9. Maximum risk to lose $9 only. You can also buy 3 strike, 3.5 strike, very cheap, $35 one call option. If PBIG goes higher, you make money. Get in, get out, make some money. Anyway, these are the option idea. Remember, I bought a call option for $9 for 2 strike when BBIG was 2.2. That $9 became 200 something. It was an excellent call option play. Anyway, so let's look at the price action. So this is a daily chart. You can see BBIG, what it does, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, again goes up, comes down. And on a longer time frame, it is making lower high. The market is bad, everything is coming down. This is not only BBIG's fault, everything is coming down. Now few things can happen. I will go more close, but few things can happen. Based on this trend line, it might go back to $4, right? And one thing can be there is more buying power. It can break through this trend line, so that is really bullish for BBIG. Or it might hit $4 area. I'm saying 4, it can be 3.8, 3.9. Just looking at the trend line, it might come down, then again it can bounce back. So this can happen. So you have to watch the price action, watch the volume, because even if you love BBIG, it can fluctuate up and down, up and down. So if you're planning for day trading or swing trading, just know when to sell, when to buy, this kind of thing, right? So anyway, there's the trend line. Look at the volume, it has been coming down. That is one important thing. I'm just worrying. So after that, I want to go back to have a more closer look. So let's see what is happening. Sorry, I don't want to paint anything. So see what's happening. I'm gonna have the extended hour, and I will just change the pattern. So look what happened. So it had a nice run up. It had a resistance around 3.5. It couldn't break 3.5, came down, tried to hold 3.2. It couldn't, broke through the 3.2, and then it tried to break 3.2, but it was rejected one time, two times, three times. But what happened, it did not came below $3. So it was moving between 3 and 3.2, and finally it broke the 3.2 support. You see which was the support, it became a new resistance. So 3.2 is the new support. Hopefully if BBIG comes down, I expect this to bounce off the 3.2 and go back up. If you're planning to enter, think about entering at 3.2 or maybe better entry around $3 area. Also, if market is terrible, any bad news comes, also think about entering around 2.8 line. You see a bounce around 2.8, few cases it came to 2.6. At all time, I always look for 2.2. If you really long term, you want to buy it, look at the daily chart. 2.2 is the floor always. It comes to 2.2, it comes back up, 2.2, right? So anyway, that's the chart. So a few other things before I finish here. So recently, you know about the cryptide dividend. So they entered an agreement to raise 42 million in common equity and convertible debt. I'm not going to cover that, but it has some terms around $10 per share. Look at the numbers, $8 per share. So these are nice numbers, right? In 5 years, $10, $8. Some people are bullish on BBIG, so maybe this is a good one for them to look at. Also, if you look at investor plays at recent on January 27th, dear BBIG stock fans, pay attention to this 42 million cryptide. So it talks about few things here. I'm not going to jump there, but where does the 42 million figure comes from? Okay, so the company expect to see 33.3 million in secured convertible senior note. Okay, 33 million. They also recently raised an additional agreement to sell 1.5 million shares, right, for a price of $8 per share. So Cryptide leadership is quite happy with this decision in the statement, president, and blah blah blah. Okay. Also, if you go to Nasdaq, how does the Tide crypto spin-off dividend actually work? So basically, BBIG is looking at Lomotif app, which is a rival of TikTok. So BBIG owns Lomotif app, I think 80%. So they're also tapping on cryptocurrency, Cryptide. What is Cryptide? So just go below if you want. You can just read. So basically, if you have 10 shares of BBIG as a dividend, you will get one Cryptide. Okay, and they're expecting that the dividend will be tax-free, and those receiving Tide stock will not sacrifice their BBIG. So still you will have your BBIG. It's not like they will take your 10 BBIG. You will have your existing BBIG position. In addition, for each 10 BBIG, you will get one Tide. And the final one, I just want to tap on. So Vinco Ventures is just grasping at straws. It talks about the thing, what they are doing, yes and no, yes and no. But the thing is, finally, what they do, they did a reverse merger. So just, I guess, Global Media Entertainment, and they also did the deal in July to become the owner of short form video platform Lomotif. I think Justin Bieber's wife is promoting this particular one. So this is a direct competitor of TikTok, right? You know about TikTok most probably. So anyway, so if you want, just go and read those things, but I just wanted to give you an update on BBIG, how things are looking at, when to get in, when to get out, how to make money playing shares and option. Hopefully you like this particular video. In that case, like the video, subscribe my channel, also join my Patreon community to get access to my Discord community for getting alert, getting my live before the market open, making a plan for the day so that we can all make some money instead of trading alone at home. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.